BMW here. Looks like we're gonna go against an older BMW and a really good time. So what? I'm not sure if this is that same car though. Looks like you had a passenger in the car. All right, there you go. There's our numbers for the roll race, an 8.1. That's crazy. And battery's not even conditioned yet. So we still got a few more minutes before. That was our first ever roll race in the quarter mile. It's just to roll with him, and when I feel like he floors it, I'm gonna floor it. Here we go. Woo! I'll make sure with every run that I do that a little dark out, so I've got to turn on. W did a 9.2 at 1:30, so pretty impressive. An 8.3 at 152 from the roll. So I'm gonna go ahead and save the rest of the battery for the drag.
I need to get